We have been preparing for this conference for months and months, and we know that this will be the biggest event in Europe so far since Rain International here. We are going to have a fantastic new product. We are going to have new promotions, fantastic business tools. Also, great presenters from North America, Europe, of course, and Asia. So it's going to be big. I'm so excited. It's going to start just in a few hours.
Now let's talk real.
We were a little bit afraid that Core will not arrive on time because there were some custom issues, but finally, like 2 hours or 3 hours before we started a convention, it arrived. So it didn't arrive days or weeks before, just a couple hours before. I haven't even seen them. They're just somewhere here. So yeah, in the last couple of days, we were worried about it because that's the main thing, Core, right? So we are launching Core, and it's hard to launch Core without having Core with us. It's all good. It's all good.
It's all good.
Let's make it rain.
Believe it or not, one of my family members called me from Nigeria. It was one of my family members that called me and said, "Sis, guess what? There's a new product. And this product is fabulous. Can you please go to YouTube and watch it?" And that was it. And here I am. I'm so glad I'm here because this product is amazing. And seeing the two doctors, one that did the scientific explanation of it, and also with his equipment, drawing one of the people that came, he drew his blood. And after taking the product, 30 minutes after that, oh my goodness, the transformation was amazing. And also those athletic, the boxer, the world champion guy that came also and presented it. So if you're telling me selling anything, trying to sell anything to me, it has to be more natural. It has to have the right ingredients, which has to be validated because integrity is very, very vital to me. So, and this product is something I feel I can comfortably be a part of.
Convention is Thursday, yeah? But we arrived Sunday.
Last Sunday?
Last Sunday.
What have you been doing?
Recruiting. I've done
in Salzburg?
in Salzburg. I don't know anyone in Salzburg, but I signed up, I think 8 people. I always come back in Salzburg and Vienna as well because I need to support those 8 persons who signed up before the convention. You need to support your members and your RAIN partners 100%, or maybe if you can do it 200%, you need to do it.
Oh yeah, are you recording me for here?
That's it, man. Cool.
I've always looked up to you. Can I get your opinion? Watch this, ready? I got something important I want you to see.
Here we are in Salzburg, Austria, 2015 European Convention. So excited, spending a great time with all of our RAIN partners. And we've got our president, Byron Belka, here, rocking the house, VP of our marketing, which is Daniel Scarpino, tearing it up. And then we've got Casey Whitaker. Now, you know one thing about Casey? Casey can be a little sometimes.